Hey, it's Mia. So you just got Autopilot. Nice choice. But before you can actually use it, you're going to need an API key. Think of it like your personal pass. It connects your software to your account and basically tells the system, yep, that's really you. Don't worry, this takes like 2 minutes. Let me walk you through it. First thing, head over to the Autopilot portal and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top bar and click on API keys. You'll see a button that says, Create a new API key. Go ahead and click that. A little window will pop up asking you to name your key. Just pick something that makes sense to you, like my laptop or work setup, whatever helps you remember what it's for. Oh, and by the way, you can create as many keys as you want. So if you ever lose one or forget it, no stress. Just make a new one and you're good. Now here's the important part. Your key will only show up once. So copy it right away using the button, save it somewhere safe. And I mean actually safe. Keep this private, and then paste it into Autopilot. You'll find the field under Settings, then API Configuration, then Loxia Platform Access, and that's it. No save button needed. It saves automatically. From here, you're ready to start chatting with any agent you want. I've got more tutorials coming, so stick around. See you in the next one.